Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Kia Optima Platinum, stock reference number 5728. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 9th month 2013. It has a G4 KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4 KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with radiator grille, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, bonnet has no damage, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand side skirt, left front door has no damage, left rear door has 2 small dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the boot lid garnish, boot lid has no damage, right-hand boot lid garnish, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right-hand side skirt, both right-hand doors and guard have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.